Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a big batch of all-purpose green marinade that will turn any protein, veggies and stir fries into a flavor bomb. This method will cut down your cooking time significantly. Let's dive in. Here is what you would need: green bell peppers, parsley, basils, ginger, garlic, chilies or scotch bonnet peppers, spring onions and onions. I will list all the ingredients in the description box below. Do well to check the measurements out. Make sure to cut up all your ingredients into smaller pieces so that your blender or food processor can blend it smoothly. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. I hope you stay. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the video. My name is Akosia Jadates and I share recipes, simple recipes and traditional meals from my home country, Ghana. Thank you so much for stopping by. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for all the support and all the love that you've shown me. Alright, let's blend it up. So in a blender or your food processor, add all your ingredients and blend it onto smooth. I added a little bit of water to help with the consistency and also to help my blender blend it very well. Once everything is nicely blended, I will transfer it into a bowl. Look at how green and vibrant it is. I will be using my spoon to fill out my ice cube tray. If you don't have ice cube tray, please use freezer safe containers to portion out your marinade. If your ice cube tray don't have a cover like mine, do well to use cling film to cover it up. You don't want this beautiful smell to take over your freezer. Once this is done, into the freezer it goes. This is the following day and as you can see, it has freezed nicely. So we are just going to take it out and of the tray into a Ziploc bag. Make sure to label it, and this normally lasts me about a month. It saves me a lot of time in the kitchen and I don't have to stress when I'm in a hurry to marinate my meat and all that. A quick tip: if you want a strong flavor, add cilantro and make sure to use fresh herb for brightness. Adjust heat with the chili or omit it if it's too much. Another tip is make sure to thaw in the fridge overnight or defrost in a bowl of warm water. This marinade is perfect for marinating chicken, pork, shrimp, salmon and any protein and vegetables. I sometimes use it in my stir fries when I'm in a hurry and I don't have to be wasting time to cut up all these ingredients before cooking, and it tastes so good. As you can see, I used my green marinade to marinate my pork steak on this day and it came out so good. And then I marinated in my fridge for 2 hours, then roasted it in my oven and the taste was amazing. Everyone enjoyed it. I hope you give this a try and let me know in the comment section how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit on the bell for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.